Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Adinda Putri. I'm from 11 Science 6. In this video, I want to show you how to make a Google form for attendance list on the Google Web. Before, this Google form was not only used for attendance list, but can be used for other things, such as for exam questions or others. First, open the Google Web on your handphone or laptop, and then search the Google form. If it appears, click the very top that has free writing. For the part from title and description, you can write what you want. For example, I will write for the attendance list. And for the description, I will write date and time. For the question, I will write name, and then to add another question, press the duplicate image. And for the next question, I'm going to add class and phone number. If finished, press the pending image to add to the theme of the form. It's up to you whether you want to use it to edit the form or not. Here is the header section and I'll choose illustration. And for the font style, I'll choose cute. After that, press apply, and it's done, yay! The last step, press point 3 on the far right, then press make a copy, and type the name of the copy, and then press OK. The form will be automatically saved in your Drive account. Next, press the arrow next to point 3, then click the link image next to email image. A link will appear. After that, press copy and then share.